Year-end is approaching, and we're here to provide the tips and tricks you need to make it run smoothly. Late-breaking changes on employee information on annual forms can make for a challenging year-end close. You can limit these challenges by starting early. Review and validate employee wages and information prior to your year-end close. You can also ask employees to validate their basic account information in the employee portal and share any necessary changes. However, once annual forms have been populated, you can still easily make changes in the payroll system. From your annual report screen, click Edit next to the employee's form, edit the information in the system, and save the form. Alert your employee to check the system in 24 to 48 hours for their updated form. As always, we're here to support you if you have any questions. You can review our online help articles, launch an on-screen walkthrough, or watch a video. You can also chat, call, or send us a message. Be sure to click the Resource Center for additional walkthroughs, videos, and guides.